After you're done doing whatever, either the flush or your antibiotic, grab one of these caps.
After he does that?
Yep, and then you just put it. Oh, cool. See, you already have one. All right, and then that way you don't have to scrub it afterwards. So that's how to keep it from getting infected.
Okay.
Alrighty. And then you should be doing one of these like every 12 hours or so. Okay.
Oh, they said once every 9 o'clock at night. I mean, yeah, daily.
Oh, just once?
Yeah, 24 hours.
Okay. And then this is exactly what you'll do over
This
here.
is the saline solution.
Yep, so, and then...
You said pop the cap a little bit.
Saline. This is the saline.
Yeah.
And then push out the
little air, yep.
push out the ear thing.
Push out the
That
air.
much I remember.
Okay.
Okay.
And then these are only one-time use, so...
A
Alright,
little
so...
bit. Mm-hmm.
So that's all you do is just twist it.
Twist
And he
it.
only has the one, so that's nice.
Okay.
And then you just push it in like that. And this is just to prevent it from clotting. Alright. Yep.
I
So
thought,
if it starts to get hard, like you're just really pushing hard on it, then definitely come back because there's probably some clot in there.
can I ask your name?
Yeah, Rome.
Okay, Rome,
Mm-hmm.
short for Roman.
Romeo.
Okay, listen, Rome, you know, they were talking about this part that was supposed to be applied to this. They said it about 10 times. It was a part that had this plastic on it, that had attached to this, and this went to that part. And they said we couldn't do it on our own. We needed help. They had the wrong one at the hospital. So that's what we were expecting. We should have it in here. We should have that part in here. Can you look for it, honey?
Look for what?
That part.
Yeah,
He might be better. I don't know what I'm looking for.
So this is the only other thing.
Okay, it's probably.
No, it's not in there.
Okay, forget it.
Yeah, so, yeah, because we use that long, it's a little bit longer, right?
Yeah, it's about
Yeah.
6-8 inches long.
Yeah.
That's only if you have a pump.
I can send you guys one that you, no, you don't, it's not only for pump, but,
And this one, this one's supposed to take a little time to do.
yeah, so it goes over 10 minutes, so.
Do you have to squeeze the air out of that one?
There's no air in it.
No,
And even
okay.
if there's like a tiny bubble, it's okay.
Okay.
So yeah, you got 20 milliliters here. So you're gonna do 10 in 5 minutes. So yeah, it's just a time thing. You just do a little bit at a time. So we're starting at 35 over here.
Mm-hmm.
So this should take 10 minutes.
Yep. So that's all you gotta do. That little, I'll go find one. And that'll be nice if you're doing it by yourself, because then you can attach it, and then you can be watching TV and here doing it instead of like going like this.
Okay.
But really, there's no difference. Okay.
But yeah, it has to. That whole thing takes 10 minutes, like over 10 minutes.
Yeah. So
This
10
does.
minutes.
Okay.
Okay, why don't you grab that thing and then we'll do a kind of an explanation on that.
Yeah. Sure.
I don't know why they said.
Is
we
that
needed-
something that you leave on or not?
No. So once I'm done here, so this is the new cap that I had grabbed. Once it's all done, you're gonna grab one of these syringes, normal saline syringes, and finish flushing it, so it all gets in there, and then you put this little green cap on.
But what about the extension tube? Is that something that you like have to clean every time?
No. The extension tube, I'll get you guys a couple. I'll see if I can find 5 of them. Otherwise, you can just toss it after each use. That way you don't have to worry about it. But yeah,
Because
so-
he's by himself. I'm an hour and a half away.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so you just make sure you're timing it like little bit at a time there. Let me go find that, and I'll be right back.
Extra step with the tube.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that one is way longer.
Yeah, so I'm assuming this is what they were talking
No,
about.
the one they talked was about this long. The hospital had one this long, and the lady in the video saw it and said, that's not it, that's not it, that's not it, that's not it. It was about this long. So as long as this is working,
Yeah, you can do it like this, or you can do it with this.
Let's not use that.
You don't want to use this?
No.
Okay, yeah, because it has an extra step or two here.
I'll call the hospital tomorrow
Okay,
and get the.
okay, so then I'll go and then. And
I'm
then,
gonna
yeah,
go home, Mom. I'm gonna go to bed.
yeah, we just have, so yeah, every like about every 2 to 3 minutes, you want to do 5 or so.
What do you call that thing? What's the name of that thing?
And that's just an IV extension tube.
IV extension tube. It's just, I'm concerned about it because if it's reused, I mean, what if it gets dirty?
We reuse them, but we cap them and stuff like that to keep them sterile.
Oh.
But if you're at home, I don't know if you're able to keep it sterile or not, and so
Yeah,
it's
like
just-
it would need to be like in a
that's what I
Ziploc
was-
bag or something, and
Yeah, that's what I was just gonna send you.
can you stop pulling my hair? It hurts.
But if you want to figure it out tomorrow, that's fine.
Yeah.
And then, doctor said I can just go ahead and do this here, and then
Nice.
she'll just kind of come and give her blessing in a little bit.
And then
Okay.
What I'll do is I'll call this company tomorrow and I'll get that part.
Okay, and do we need to be concerned about the temperature of this stuff because it's supposed to be refrigerated?
Yeah, good. What is that?
That's
Yeah.
the main. Oh,
Mhm.
is there anything in the box over there? Can you stop? That hurts.
Yep. Yeah, so definitely keep this refrigerated.
Yeah, I'm just wondering if this box is cold enough, and
Oh, there it is.
because we had a 45-minute
What
drive
does it
here.
say?
It says so keep refrigerated, but the ice is fine right now.
The ice is fine right now, so we're okay with this in
It
the
says,
box.
let's see, it says remove 1 hour before use, and yeah, it should be okay though.
Okay, because this is the whole entire thing they sent us. So I just want to make sure because he's gonna. How many doses is it?
It looks like 5, so I'm giving the 1 right now. You only have 4 more after this.
Oh, so I thought he has to do this for 6 weeks.
They might send. They might only send like 5 at a time then. But yeah, as of right now, he only has the 5 doses each, or 5 more doses, so 6 days. So about the same time. If you want to keep it at 9 o'clock, that's perfect. And yeah, keep refrigerated. If you want to take 1 out an hour before, and then just over 10 minutes.
So Rome and Katie, did I get paperwork in there?
There's a folder right here on the side,
That's all I need to know.
and it's got a ton of stuff in it. So,
That's all I need to know.
Okay.
are you sleepy, honey?
This room, honest to God, I don't know how you can keep any of this straight.
Well, it's easy since I, been doing it a while, but they should have done some education.